So with this box, NECA does a decent job. Like the whole package is really cool. However, the box they sent it in was the box they get from China, and they didn't do any type of repackaging to make it safer. So my complaint about this, if I'm spending $150, $180, $200 on an item, like it should be premium packaged, and you should have enough to replace these issues. Like right there, there's some damage. It's damaged. Like that's not cool. Like that's not cool at all. Like I'm spending good money on it. Not only are you spending good money, you're waiting a while on these products. Like this is a pre-order, so it's like you get excited that it's coming, and then it comes like that, and it's like, well, you guys should give me like $20 back or something like that, because I keep these in boxes. I don't take the stuff out. I got, I usually don't take the stuff out. It's all in. I keep it in the package. So I like the package to be as close to perfect as possible. Especially if I want to send this in to get it graded and it's damaged. Now, granted, this is just a sleeve. I can maybe get like one made. At least send me another sleeve. Like, send me another sleeve. The box itself is good, but the sleeve is damaged. The sleeve is damaged, and that's not cool. For the price, it should have came bubble wrapped and wrapped in another box. Maybe the price got to go up for that, right? But you're spending good money on it. What the fuck? That part is disappointing, but overall, I think it's like really cool. It's a cool package. It's just disappointing that I got that crease there and some bends right there. These people don't take care of it. When it goes to UPS or FedEx or whoever sends it, they're just tossing it around. So, good thing it's not worse, but the fucking spend good money. Repackaging. That's really the only complaint I got so far. I don't open it, so I'm not gonna like really look in it. I should have bought two. That's a complaint. I should have bought two, and then I would have one that I could open and set up. Maybe I'll set this one up. I don't know if I can find another one. This is the Ultimate Figures 35th anniversary, so they'll come out with another one in 5 years, and I'll order it again, I guess. But it would be cool to have all the different, number 1, number 2, and number 3. I know they have the Ultimate Figures for each film, but this is the one with the Spirit of Splinter. And that was supposed to be like a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive, the Spirit of Splinter, and people were worried about, because when it came out, people bought it, and they're trying to sell Spirit of Splinter on eBay for like $300, $400, $500, and they're like, "Oh, this is gonna bring the value of mine down." No, it's not. The value is actually going to stay the same. This is probably worth, a few $100 now, because there's only a limited number of them. So there's not a lot, but it looks like you never know. They might just drop another one on the 40th anniversary. They'll add like one more pizza or something. Maybe they'll add April O'Neil. What would be cool is if they added April O'Neil's van that got them to Connecticut. So go upstate New York. I think it's Connecticut. But yeah, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. cool film, greatest film of all time, pretty much. Next to Terminator and Terminator 2. It's up there, top 5, top 10. You know, definitely my favorite movie as a child. You can't go wrong with the Ninja Turtles. Who remembers the little commercial that played before this where the kid had to catch the ball and I play right. Okay, and then you know you had Zach and the cartoon kids from the Burger King right before it as well, and then the movie played. It was a great movie, dark movie, awesome movie. Came out 1990. I was like 5 years old, and I thought it was great then, and I still think it's great now. So, hope you enjoyed. Grind hard, hustle hard, know you would, know your potential, never settle. I'm out. Peace.
Ninja vanish!